Hey, it's your wacky neighbor again. I wanted to make another video about electric arc lighters because there's a new one just out that omits a lot of the problems I described with the others in my last video, and that really changes the way I use it. So here it is, Larruping brand, $13. The most remarkable thing is how light it is. It's only 32 grams. That's a third of the weight of this one, which was my previous favorite, and half the weight of this one from Power Practical. It has a simple mechanical lock, which you can reach with either hand, and momentary activation. Comes right on as soon as you push the button. No delay. It's only got 2 probes, but that seems just fine, as it still is powerful enough to give me good ignition. So with this one that stays on, using it is more like a traditional flame lighter in that you activate it before you bring it over to the bowl, and then you jab it in to get it lit. Here, I'll show you. But with this new one, since it comes on as soon as you press the button, I'll actually bury the probes in the material before I click it on, and I'll just click it on for a moment before I test to see if it's lit. Only if it's not lit, I'll click it on a second time and hold it a little longer, and I won't withdraw the probes until I'm sure it's lit. Here's a comparison of wind resistance. I did fully charge all these batteries before this test, by the way. So you can see the Power Practical almost goes out when I blow on it, but this one does not. My gripes about this are pretty minor. There isn't any sort of protective cover over the probes, but that seems fine. I haven't damaged them or shocked myself yet. The on-off switch does seem like it's mislabeled, unless you consider it to be the safety is on or off, not the lighter is on or off. Also, it's a bit hard to see the charging light because there isn't a porthole for that. You can just kind of see it glowing through various cracks. But for $13, that's okay. Anyway, there you have it. Oh, I should say I got a week of regular use off the battery charge as well, so that's pretty good. Oh, and I can't let you go without showing off its little secret. What?